divide 858 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting, we get 3. So now we put down this 5 and it is 35. 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting, we get 0. So again we put down this 8 and 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting, we get 3. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 30 and 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting, we get 0. So 858 divided by 5 is 171.6. So this much for today and thanks for watching.